Splat the Cat Goes to the Doctor, written by Rob Scott, retold by Sarah. Splat is a cat who is excited to leave early from school today to go to the doctor's office. His friends scare him about how he will be wrapped in bandages. Splat wasn't so excited anymore. In fact, he was scared. When his mom came to get him, he didn't want to leave. His mom had to drag him inside by the tail. Inside, there were toys and comfy chairs. When the nurse called his name, he hid in the toy box. In the exam room, the doctor came in. The doctor started the exam with measuring. The doctor weighed and checked Splat's reflexes and took his temperature. Did Splat survive the doctor's office? Read Splat Goes to the Doctor to find out.